The Simpsons, Season 31, Episode 17. The Sound of Bleeding Gums. Yeah, this is the Bleeding Gums Murphy episode. I haven't probably seen in ages. And it's more like basically copyright infringement, trying to work out whose fault it was and stuff. Yeah, it was a really enjoy episode. I really enjoyed this one from start to the end. Was a really enjoyable episode. So yeah, so about covering Murphy, Blinker Murphy's got a son. That's the first big shock we never knew. So yeah, the entire episode was really enjoyable too. Hope you enjoyed it.